The application and removal of coveralls. Step number 1. Sanitizing your hands. Apply the sanitizer to the palm of your hand. Rub your hands together. Rub the gel all over the surfaces of your hands and in between your fingers until your hands are dry. This should take roughly around 20 seconds. Step number 2. Putting on your disposable gloves. First, select the right size glove for your hand and make sure you inspect the gloves for any tears or defects. Gently open the cuff of the glove and insert your hand. Once your hand is inserted, move your fingers down into the glove's fingers to properly align it and ensure it is a snug fit. Roll the cuff of the glove down the wrist until the glove is secure. Then repeat the same technique for the second glove. Step number 3. Putting on your disposable coveralls. First, check you have the right size overall and open the packet. As you unfold your coverall, carefully avoid any surfaces that may damage the product. Also check for any defects to the product. Before fitting, it may pay to get a designated dressing area away from contamination and workplace hazards. Remove any bulky clothing, jewellery or anything else that may interfere with your PPE or pose a safety risk. While sitting down, remove footwear and tuck trousers into socks. Unzip the item and insert your leg into the coverall carefully. Repeat the same process for your other leg. Once you have done this, pull the coverall up over your waist. Carefully insert your arm into the sleeve. Ensure the sleeve covers your whole arm and that the cuff fits comfortably. Once you have the coverall on, pull the zip up 2/3 of the way. Step number 4. Putting on your disposable face mask. First, you want to take the mask out of the packet. Then you want to put the mask to your face, ensuring that the nose piece is at the top of the mask. Place one of the headbands over the top of your head and the other headband over the base of your neck. Once you have your disposable face mask on, pull the coverall hood over your head and slowly pull the zip up to the top so that it is fully zipped to your chin. Step 5. Putting on boot protectors. Check the boot protectors for any defects or damages. Make sure you have the right size for your feet as well. Insert your foot into one of the boot protectors. Slide your foot into the front of it and using the elastic back, slide up the back of the boot. Once you have done this, repeat the same process for the next boot. Please note, boot protectors only required for certain situations. To complete your protection, you will need to put on your safety glasses. Step number 5. Removing your disposable gloves, mask, boot protectors and coveralls. Prior to removing any of your PPE equipment, it may pay to move to a designated area away from contamination and workplace hazards. Also, if available, it may pay to wipe down any contaminated areas you may think you may come into contact with while taking off your PPE. Unzip your coverall, ensuring you don't make any contact with any of the inside PPE. Using both hands, grasp the top of the hood by the temples. Pull outwards to stretch the hood. Roll the hood inside itself to minimize further contact with contaminated outer surfaces. Pull one sleeve of the coverall down off the shoulder and arm. And now repeat for the other arm. Once the coverall is down to your waist, turn the outer side of the coverall inward. Take care not to touch the outside of the coverall. Remove the coveralls from your feet, and as you do so, remove the boot protectors at the same time. Once you have removed your coveralls and boot protectors, you may now remove your disposable face mask. Place the face mask with the coveralls and boot protectors. Gather all your disposable PPE and roll this up and insert this into the biohazard bag. The process for removing your disposable gloves is the exact same for removing your work gloves for breaks or at the end of the day. Remove the gloves and place them in the biohazard bag. Seal off with a cable tie and ensure you sanitize your hands at the end. Your safety glasses are the only PPE that you will reuse, so please, for any circumstances you require to remove these, don't forget to sanitize and wipe these down before putting them back on.